Around the nation, several new trigger bans on abortion in Republican-led states are taking effect tonight. Tennessee, Idaho, Texas, and Oklahoma now have laws in place with strict limits on abortions. This comes 2 months after the U.S. Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade, giving states the power to regulate abortion access. For now, Idaho can only partially enforce its trigger law after a federal judge ruled doctors can end pregnancies to save a mother's life. Meanwhile, another judge in Texas blocked federal guidance regarding emergency abortion services, and a judge in North Dakota has temporarily delayed its trigger ban from taking effect tomorrow. Here in South Carolina now, the state's 6-week fetal heartbeat abortion law is currently not in effect after a judge blocked it earlier this month. The 6-week law had been in effect since June, days after the High Court overturned Roe v. Wade. Currently, though, South Carolina's previous 20-week abortion law is now in effect. It was what was on the books before the fetal heartbeat law. The state Supreme Court put the fetal heartbeat law on hold while they review whether or not it is constitutional. And next week, the House will begin debate in South Carolina on a bill which would ban nearly all abortions beginning at conception, with only exceptions to save the mother's life and for a limited number of health conditions. Last week, the House Judiciary Committee voted to move the bill to the full House. That bill does not criminalize women seeking an abortion, but does include penalties for those who perform the procedure. It also includes banning and selling and buying of drugs that induce abortions. The state Senate, meanwhile, is debating a similar bill. They will come back after Labor Day to work on their version.